The Mini-Ski is a small watercraft that has entailed 4 years of research and design to build a recreational watercraft suitable for children, after considerable research to purchase a watercraft suitable for children and the lack of available crafts. We embarked on this mission to build a safe and affordable craft for all to enjoy. Our goals were to design a craft that was safe and suitable for children to operate in calm waters, to minimize the requirements of licensing and registration, to have a craft that was easy to transport and to make it affordable for all. We overcame these obstacles by looking at the most important aspects of our design, the buoyancy and stability which are part of the safety aspects of the craft. We achieved this by first designing a craft that could carry the load and still be stable in the water. We limited its speed to under 10 knots and kept the power below 3 kilowatts. This was also to minimize the licensing and registration requirements in most Australian states whilst still maintaining a craft that was fun for the operator to ride. Using the latest design tools available in order to meet our design requirements, we first looked at the hull and body design. We modeled the hull and body using 3D CAD software to produce our first design. Once our design was completed, we used CNC machines to produce an expanded polystyrene prototype to build and test the design. From our first prototype, we established that the design was not sufficiently stable for inexperienced riders, so we aimed to rectify this issue by redesigning the hull, making it wider and longer and lowering the seat to lower the center of gravity to provide more stability and extra buoyancy, which in turn increased the load capacity of the craft. With our third prototype, we looked at the propulsion systems available on the market and tested these units. They failed to achieve the desired results, so a custom system was successfully designed to allow for the drag and power requirements of our craft. Once the unit had a few test runs and achieved the required results, we moved on to the visual aspects of the craft and made improvements to make the craft more appealing. This fourth design is almost identical in appearance to the final design. We added some feature guards to the side and created a backboard to allow mounting of the craft in deep water. Once a final design was decided on, a mold was created to mass produce the body of the craft made from LDPE plastic, using rotomolding techniques. In the final design, we made minor improvements to the mold to improve the quality of the design and removed some anomalies and deformities, then attached our logo and a compliance builder's plate.